Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. In this tutorial, we will explore the process of diagnosing and repairing screen and motherboard issues on the Surface Pro 4. First, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Torx T5 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a suction cup. These tools are essential for safely opening the device without causing damage. Begin by powering off your Surface Pro 4 and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, use the suction cup to gently lift the screen from the base. Be cautious as you insert the plastic spudger into the seam between the screen and the body. Carefully work your way around the edges to release the clips holding the screen in place. Once the screen is detached, you will have access to the internal components. Inspect the motherboard for any visible damage or loose connections. If you notice any issues, it may be necessary to replace the motherboard. Remember, if this seems too tricky, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you receive expert advice tailored to your needs. Next, let's focus on cleaning the internal components. Use a soft brush and isopropyl alcohol to gently clean the motherboard and connectors. This step is crucial as dust and debris can cause connectivity issues. After cleaning, check the screen for any cracks or damage. If the screen is damaged, you will need to replace it. Ensure you have the correct replacement part, as using the wrong screen can lead to further complications. When replacing the screen, align it carefully with the body of the device. Press down firmly to ensure the clips snap back into place. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any obstructions or misalignments. Once the screen is secured, it's time to reassemble the device. Replace the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened but not over-tightened, as this can cause damage. If you prefer not to tackle this repair yourself, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, making the process hassle-free. You won't have to worry about calls or travel, as we handle everything for you. Plus, you will receive a quote before any repair work begins, ensuring transparency and peace of mind. After reassembling your Surface Pro 4, power it on and check for functionality. Test the screen responsiveness and ensure that all features are working correctly. If you encounter any issues, it may be worth seeking professional assistance. Our team is here to help with any concerns you may have, providing a thorough diagnosis and repair service. In summary, repairing the screen and motherboard of your Surface Pro 4 requires careful attention to detail and the right tools. Whether you choose to undertake the repair yourself or utilize our professional services, ensure you follow the steps outlined in this guide for the best results. Remember, we are here to assist you every step of the way, offering expert advice and support for your device needs. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.